Hi everyone, in front of me I've got SONY Xperia 10 Mark VII, and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So let's begin with opening your contact list, for example with the usage of the dialer. Here we have to find the contact which we wish to block and tap on it, so let me pick maybe this one. Then all you have to do is to scroll down to find the option block number. As you can see, in my case it is not available here. You can also check this option, however it will just transfer us to the contact settings. Let me try to block another contact. Probably it was because I did not have the exact phone number saved. As you can see here, after scrolling down, whenever you've got the number, after scrolling down you will be able to see this option, block numbers. So let's simply tap on it. Your device will ask you if you really want to do it, because you will no longer receive any incoming calls or text messages from the number. So just tap on block, and as you can see here we've got this characteristic icon, which means that we just successfully blocked the number. Obviously you can unblock it the same way right here, but let me leave it like this. We will check whether it will appear on the blacklist. So to open the blacklist we have to simply tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner here and go to the settings. Here in the general, let's go to blocked numbers, and this is our blacklist. That's the number we blocked from our contacts. So as you can see, it worked. Here in this section we can also tap on add a number and enter it manually, so you do not have to have it saved. As you can see, we can simply enter it and tap on block, and it will be immediately applied. Here we've got also additional options. We can block the calls from all unidentified callers, block callers who do not disclose their number, or block numbers that are not listed in your contacts. So obviously it's completely up to you. In order to turn on the feature you have to simply tap on the switcher on it. Now they are active. To unblock the number, simply tap on this X button right next to it and tap on unblock. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.